Hi guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all how to make a delicious Geera soya chunks with pigeon peas. So if you'd like to see how to make this recipe, keep watching. So to start this recipe, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to my soya chunks. In goes some green seasoning. So I would say about 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1 pimento pepper and 1 hot pepper chopped, and I'm going to grate in about 3 cloves of garlic. Once grated in, go ahead and give this a good mix and allow it to marinate for at least 1 hour. Next, in a heavy bottom pan, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of oil. To that oil, I'm going in with Geera and methi seeds. So before the oil is hot, add in your seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of each, and allow it to toast until it's dark brown. Once it's dark brown in color, we're going to add in some chopped onions, about 1 tablespoon to 2, and 1 hot pepper chopped, which is totally optional. Saute until the onion is tender and light brown in color. And if you have a baby at home, you would want to be careful because this can cause them to cough a lot. Next goes in our seasoned soya chunks. And I'm adding in 1/2 cup of dried pigeon peas. I always soak these and keep them in my freezer so it's easy for me to use it. And we're going to allow that to fry up in there for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to add enough water to cover the soya chunks, so about 4 cups. In goes 1/2 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning and give that a good mix. Now you want to wait for this to come up to a simmer. Allow it to come up to a simmer and then start checking. You're going to give it about 1/2 an hour, after which it should reduce by about 1/2. So once the liquid reduces, you see a very little bit of liquid left in there, right? Now it's time to add our Geera. This is the main ingredient. It's roasted cumin seeds that have been grounded into a powder. Add that, about 1/4 cup, and give it a good mix. Now if you wanted to use less Geera, feel free to. If you want to use more Geera, you adjust it to your preference. Give this a good mix and allow it to continue to cook down. I'm gonna make it dry, so I'm cooking it down really dry. So you guys see all of the liquid in there has evaporated. All I have to do now is taste and adjust my salt. If you guys wanted this saucy, just leave the amount of sauce you would like in it. And here you have it, Geera soya with dried pigeon peas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to continue to stay safe and have a happy and holy Diwali 2020. Bye everyone.